This is a damaged data cable. There you can see it's totally damaged. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix it or how can you solve it, and totally I'm going to show you how can you fix it totally properly. So at first, there you can see I totally marked 3 line or 4 line, and every cable have a 4 line, and there you can see I will show you. Just wait for a few moments and it's working. Just wait. So guys, there you can see the 4 line is, you can clearly was that the first one is white one perfectly was the its first one is white one, and second one is red one, and third one is green, and have another one. You need to find out which one is another one. It's totally solid line, there have no color. There you can see it's another line, it's totally solid, there have no color. And because firstly you need to connect this other, it's already broken, you need to connect it perfectly, and I find out it clearly. Just wait. And after that you need to connect it each other perfectly. And how can you connect it and show you that. Now in this way you need to connect it each other. Just watch this, do that perfectly. It's doing now. Wait for a few moments. You need to do it perfectly, guys. And doing that is working now, and finally it's complete. And now you need to fix it your suitable way, and take a rope and tie it. You need to tie it with a rope. There you can see in this way you need to tie it. Think that. Okay, it's perfectly completed. There you can see. And after completed it, you need to cut it. There you can see it's working perfectly, and then cut it. And guys, now you can use a tape for better tie. And now you need to use a tape, any tape you can use. There you can see I used black tape here, and you need to tie it perfectly from here, just in this way. There you can see, and you need to perfectly tie it, otherwise it again broken or again damaged. So tie it again. So I'm doing that in this way. Again you need to do it, and after it's completed, after that I tie it again perfectly. So in this way you need to tie your damaged data cable perfectly, or charging cable perfectly. And finally it's completed. Finally you solve or you fix your, or you repair your charging data cable perfectly. So it's totally completed. So guys, in this way you can repair your charging data cable perfectly. So guys, hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.